This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Give me 1 second. I'm having trouble getting the stream up on my phone. There we go. Now it's working. Good. Good. Give me 1 more second, and we'll look at what the markets did overnight. Okay. So, looks like we came up most of the night. ES, lowest first candle, 52.34. High, last hour, 52.53. So about 19 points in range. NQ, low, 337. It's high, 428. It's about 89 points in range, or 91. One of the two. Hey, CBR. Yeah, that leader of that blue sky competition needs to take his meds. Copper. We are at the highest copper's been since last April. Big 140 tick range. But yeah, it's last time we were above 4 on copper. Gold coming down a little bit, about a 10-point range. Ultraviolet, very tight range there, only about a half a point. Crude oil having a great day. It's back above 80. Just under a point in range. Natural gas. Ooh, natural gas is wonky. Look at that. And Bitcoin's pulling back a little bit, down to 72.8. That's what we said, stay there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. As NQ heads up, back above 18,400. So how's your trading going today, CVR? Did you take trades overnight? CL. You see that nice little pop there off VWAP and 200 EMA. Russell's coming down, gold's coming down, crude's coming down. See where we go. Still got the blue sky competition going, but I might be focused a little more on Topstep today. Let's see where I find my Topstep. Boom. Just about $650 away from passing. Oh yeah, news overnight. News overnight. Yeah, news coming up. I kind of forgot how to live stream all of a sudden. PPI coming up at 8:30. So we definitely need to be careful of that. The natural gas inventory is coming up at 10:30. The 90% is first month only. There's also an 83% that is lifetime. Pulls back here a bit. Morning, Chris. How are you doing today, Chris and David? Oops. Sorry about that flashing accidentally. Like, good to hear. Kind of stagnant here for now. Tomorrow's quad witching, or triple witching, really. Used to be quad, but really isn't a quad anymore. But happy Pi Day to everybody. If anyone's interested in a pretty good static account, I can figure it out where that. My funded futures for 24 hours only, so I think there's like 12 hours left. Has brought their static account back. Profit target at 2100, max loss 1500. You have a limit of 2 minis or 20 micros. Static drawdown. No activation fee, no scaling, no consistency rule. Payout policy is you can withdraw down to $1. Minimum payout 1,000, max payout 3,000 until your internet's uncapped after 60 days. Of course, static drawdown does not trail. Drawdown does not move after withdrawal. So if anyone's interested in that, it's available. Link is in the video description below. Morning, G-Man. How are you doing? So one warning, I do have some thunderstorms that are bearing down on me. Probably be here in about an hour. So if I suddenly like disappear, it's because the storm got me. All right, CVR. Hopefully it's not with the doctor that's on the blue sky. So we're stagnant here as we head to our PPI. Sitting right about 18,400. ES is at 52.48. I think did ES get to? No. ES got close to its all-time high last hour. Its all-time high being 52.57. It got up to 52.53. Rad Poker. Long time no see. How the heck are you? How's life been treating you, Rad? Yes, that video got like the most views I've ever gotten besides like the Blue Sky interview. Yeah, Lulu is problematic for sure. Pulls back down a little bit. Still sitting right above 18,400. It's Chabe here leading into PPI. Still trading with props, Brad, or how's your trading been going? Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. Hey, good morning, Speed Racer. How are you today? Yeah, ETT's lost a little bit of market share since back in the day when we were all hanging out in Discord. But they're still a good company. Slight rise up here. 428 was the overnight high. PPI might get us back there. Oh yeah, absolutely. Earn the trade is always have a great spot in my heart. Just they need to make a few changes to get back to the top. Nice rise up here. So that little blue candle I could have taken. Just kind of waiting for PPI though. I've heard about Trader Rob. I haven't checked anything out, but I've heard about him. Matt, is that who you're talking about, Red? Pulls back a little bit. 10 minutes till PPI. Yeah, he is. He's an awesome guy. He's helped me out with a bunch of stuff in the past. And he's an admin on my Discord. Pulls back to 404. Crude popping up just a bit. Gold trying to bounce just a bit. Everything's waiting for PPI. Yes, Chef's actually very profitable. Now he's been taking payouts from a couple of different props. He's also an admin on my Discord. NQ kind of glued the 18,400 area right now. Pulling back down slow right now. Like I said, PPI will fix that here in a few. While we're waiting for some action, if you feel like it, gore that like button for me. Let YouTube know you like the stream, you like the channel, you like me, you like something. Ooh, Russell. Russell took a dive over there. And Q's trying to push down a little bit. Like I said, I'm staying flat here until PPI. Well, after PPI, I'm not going to take a trade on PPI. Nice little burst down, though. I could have got 5 points or more. No, maybe not. Looking at the wrong candle. Going 3. Crude, nice move up. Looks like the doctor appointment might have saved CBR there. So CPI on Tuesday came in slightly hot, but core CPI, I guess, was a good number. So it'll be interesting to see where PPI is today. Nice bounce there on the Russell. About a minute 45. Nice push up here right before PPI. Wonder who saw the print early. No. Up and pulling back right away. Whoosh! 404 down to 372. They're coming right back up. So a 32-point drop. Now, but right back. Now it's green. Oh yeah, I forgot we had jobless claims too. That's right. Jobless claims 209K. Forecast was 218K. So that was a beat. PPI year over year 1.6. They expected 1.2. Ooh, that came in hot. Core PPI month over month 0.3. They forecast 0.2. So that was hot. Retail sales. Oh wow, I didn't realize we had a whole bunch of news reports. I totally missed that. That came in lower than expected. Core PPI year over year 2%. They expected 1.9%. So all the PPI prints came in hot. And there you see the whoosh back down. Now it's down 35 points. So now looking at low a day, which was that first candle, 337. Low yesterday was 281. A little bounce here. Blue candle bounce. We're long on that blue candle bounce. See if it continues to go up or if it's just going to dump right back down. Good chance of it dumping right back down. This blue sky account's taking, the competition account's taking damage over the last couple of days anyway, so not really as serious about it as I was 2 days ago. I wouldn't have taken that trade on my any normal account. Of course, it's going to prove me wrong that I should have taken the trade on a normal account. Let's see where it goes. Nope, coming right back down. Yep, I was a one candle bounce and it's going to come back down. Teasing me if I stop out. There it is. 356 is where we're at now. Just trying to bounce again. Dow, nice blue candle down there on the 5. Russell's climbing back up. Crude's still coming up. Gold made a major dip, now trying to come back up. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Excellent. Great job. Trying again, blue candle, bounce it back up. Ultra bottom of the bounce over there, blue candle. Wow, big blue candle now. I'm long as well. I do got a 20 EMA there sitting there, possibly laughing at me. Yeah, looks like long was not the right decision, maybe. Well, maybe here it comes. I gave up on trades too early. Luckily, I didn't jump out. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Come on back up for me, baby. Can I get through that EMA? Needed to get through 79 here, that EMA. Then maybe we can get up to 96. Hey, Gary, how are you doing today? Well, that's not good. Feeling better now, or? Boom. Out. That was a $1,250 trade. So I got back that loss plus some. Actually, I didn't. That big loss was a little bit bigger, but that's fine. Nice trade there off my blue candle. Stuck in through the pullback and continued up. Looks like it wants to continue up. I mean, technically, I shouldn't have really got out because this was another trigger. So I would at least been looking for another 10 from that. So you can see I should have stayed in and just rode that candle up. See, that would have given us another 10 from there. I got out at 86, so the target though should have been about 95, 96. So I should have rode it for another 10 points. Let's see if it got there. Well, sorry to hear that you failed your eval, but that you realized what your issue is, so you know what you can work on there. Which company was it with? Apex? Well, the good news is that if you know when you're ready to jump back. Oh, wait. Oh, earn a trade. Well, uh, if you want to get back in, when you're whatever. Bulenox is running a 90% sale right now, which means that you can get a 50K eval for like $17. Now it is intraday instead of end of day drawdown, so that makes it a little bit harder. But if you're going, if you're just setting smaller targets, that's not too bad. Kind of hanging here at 380. So one win, one loss so far this morning. All right, nice trade, G-Man. I forgot to say that. All right. When are your exams, Gary? Cool. Well, good luck on your exams, Gary. What are you studying? Russell coming back down. Crude is looking choppy as heck. Gold falling back. A little less than 45 minutes until the bell. Big old purple candle here, but we're above the signal line, so it's kind of in a bad area. Wow, crude's jumping. We're still not sure where it wants to go. Ooh, big drop. So it wasn't a valid signal for me, but I darn wish it was. It would have been. Still falling. News candle got us down to 351. We're back down to 360 and falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. So, be back in 1 minute. Back. See, are we bouncing? Got down to 57. Blue candle bounce. Nice bounce. And while it's deciding to do nothing, I check my radar, see how close the storms are. And probably about an hour away. Trying to push back up here. Struggling at that 20. 5 minutes till the top of the hour. 35 minutes till the bell. Anyone else have taken a trade in this hour? How are we doing out there? Yeah, I knew you did. Let me rephrase. Anybody else besides me and G-Man taking a trade? All right, good luck, Speed Racer. Or should I say, go, Speed Racer? Yeah, I thought I was looking. I looked at the Dow chart. I'm like, how's he losing if he's short? Short. So I was a little confused, but I wasn't gonna question it. Oh, you're good. So 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser, but we're still down a little bit because my loser was bigger than my winner. Wow, look at gold dipping. Look at gold. New low a day. Ultravont hit a new low in the news candle. Crude new high a day. Copper kind of mid-range. Bitcoin sitting at just under 73. Ace and RJ should be arriving soon. Yeah, David, this is the Blue Sky competition account that was doing really well, and now it's not doing as well. The leader of the Blue Sky competition is 94,000. Second and third place are in the 20,000s. So Top Step X is okay. It still needs some improvements. The execution times seem very quick, so that's definitely an advantage. Uh, the fact that you can't set like different ATMs is hopefully something they're working on adding. Kind of choppy here. Top of the hour. But yeah, definitely. It definitely has potential to be a great platform. I mean, it's based off TradingView, so I really wish they could bring like all the TradingView stuff with it, but doesn't seem like that's going to happen. Like, I guess TradingView probably has no interest in that, since that would mean less people subscribing to their service. G-Man just exploded. Let's move back up there on ES. NQ pushing up a bit. Nice move up. NQ wants to try and reclaim 400, maybe. It's got 3 EMAs and a VWAP to go through. VWAP. Pulls back. Got back up to 390, pulled back down to 378. Which movie's that, Speed Racer? And good morning, RJ. How you feeling today? So again, just to warn everybody, just in case I disappear. So this is what's coming toward me right now. I'm right here, where you see me swirling my cursor. And so this is heading my way. Probably about 45 minutes to an hour away. So if I disappear, it's because my power went or something. Nothing to write home about right now. 25 minutes till the bell. I believe that movie that RJ is talking about is called Vacation Friends. There's a Vacation Friends 2 as well. Nice move back down. So nice bounce off those VWAPs and EMAs. Trading a little bit stiff this morning. Morning, Ace. So push back down, getting down toward the low. 351. When I say low, I mean not the night over. That's 337. Recent low. That's what I'm trying to spit out. I want to thank everyone for being here today. Wouldn't mind goring that like button for me. I'd appreciate it. Feel free to join us in the chat. Everything's kind of dying here all of a sudden. So that purple candle would have been a decent trade. I did not. Oh, I guess I'm trading a little stiff this morning. This would have been, it was a bounce down. Would have been good. Got to get my head back in the game. It's time to play the game. Everything's looking a little sad right now besides crude oil. Bonds is down, gold's down, Russell, Dow, NQ, ES. Once again, happy Pi Day to everybody. 3.14. Coming up a little bit, or it was. Now it's heading back down. It had to be an absolutely riveting conversation. And he's trying to pop up, but struggling. Kind of watching this here, see if it wants to pop. Cool beans. Haven't seen you in a while. How the heck are you? I am doing good. Oh, coming back down. Ow. Big move back down. Trying to bounce. Purple candle there. Should have grabbed that. Now it bounces. Damn it. Pops back up. Nice move here. So cool beans, how's trading been going? I'm long and Q. It can't bust through that EMA. Looks like it wants to head back down. Cool. I'm doing decently. Blue Sky competition account is up big on kind of giving back, but I'm only like $650 away from passing a top step. Ace said he was looking for long, so I just went with it. No, I'm kidding. Looking for longs in all the wrong places. Looking for signals from too many aces. There we go. All right. Up and down. Should have got out with the hit of the EMA there. It did it again. So I'm dense for not putting a target there at the EMA. So I could have had a green trade and I just didn't take it, hoping for a break of the EMA. There we go. There's our stop. Happy with that. And we'll move on. Storms are moving slow. About 9 minutes till the bell. Excellent job, JJR. Excellent job, Ace. Gold moving up nicely. Oh, sorry, JJ. I missed your first message. I saw the second one. Sorry about your blown evals in PA. Brain wasn't processing. Are you trading them all individually, JJR, or are you using the copier? Nice little bounce. Five minutes till the bell. No Crypticon today. Nice bounce back up to 358. It's a good decision, JJR, to start off with. Morning, TL. Nice pop back up. So I was just a little early. Two-minute warning from Ace. 2 minutes. Places, everybody. Just had a severe thunderstorm warning issued. So if I disappear, you know why. The house began to shake and quake and quake. The house began to shake and quake and quake and quake and shake. So beautiful rise up here. Just I got that blue candle. Decided to pull back first and then go. Yeah. David, you're in Missouri, right? Did this blow through your area overnight? Somewhere over the rainbow. Yeah, I saw that. Huge, huge hail. Wow, big move back down here at the bell. Oops, I forgot to hit the little bell thingy. Talking about thunderstorms. So big move down here at the bell, 17 points. I don't know where we're going. Whooshing down. Back down to that low where it stopped me out earlier, 42. See if it bounces back up. Oh, whooshes through. What? I think I can remember this. NQ's low was 337.5, so we're just about there. And then yesterday's low is 281. Bounce though. So it's kind of dropping, seeing where we want to bounce. Here's a blue candle bounce, still below the signal line. ACBR, they banned them on Blue Sky. ES, big drop. No kidding, he's gone. Ooh, big blue candle bounce. The leader of the Blue Sky competition, Tio, went on a total tangent overnight on on their Discord. Wow, look at that bounce. 32 points back up. Yeah. And it was also advertising his coaching service, so that's what's got him banned. But you can go. Yeah, I was gonna say you can go over to the Discord and see it in the competition channel. Quick rise back up. Hits that EMA and pushes back down. Curling back down that, struggling to get through there. Gold falling, Russell falling, crude kind of there, not really doing much. It's choppy. All right, Ace. Wave to the bus driver. Tell him he needs a MightyOxTrading hoodie. Well, I don't think they banned him from the competition, just from the Discord. I think he's still in the competition. Trying for a break at the top. Nice, G-Man. Boom. I didn't take the boom, though. I should have. There we go. There's a boom. Boom. Out there as it's starting to struggle. That, my friends, was a $1,750 trade. In at 377 out of 394 half. It paused at 395, so that's where I got out. I was thinking we might want to get up to 400, but I decided not to chance it. Thank you, RJ. Yep, we attacked everybody. Dio. Pulling back a bit. So it got up to 98. So I got out at a pretty good spot there. Although we might be seeing a blue candle bounce here again. Let's see. Yep, back to red. So no other news this morning besides natural gas inventories. Yeah, coming back down. So giving it all back. Well, not all. I mean, it's got a ways to go before it gives it all back, but it sounded good coming out of my mouth. Reminder, if you're in need of evals, Bulenox 90% off, Apex 80% off. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. There, yep, we're touching 359. Russell's just dying over there. The Ultra Bond is just dying over there. Your owl target, is that where is that where the trade's going to cause the most pain? Purple. There's a break of the 52 down to 47. It's not a clean break back above 52. And that back below and above and below. It's a yo-yo, folks. We're short.
Out. So that was another $600 there. Should have stayed in though. Could have got more. So now remember, this is a competition account, so I'm trading 5 contracts at once. Not something I would normally do, but in the last 10 minutes or so, up $2,300. So if that had been one contract, that would have been. Someone do math for me, guys. Ooh, look at that drop. $470. Can't even rely on anyone to do math. Just kidding. Yep, still dropping now. 322, new low a day. 281's yesterday's low. Yesterday's low. Don't stop. Sorry. Whooshing down. Are we going to break 300? Checking my radar, so if anything happens, exciting. Oh, there's the break of 300, heading down to yesterday's low. Storm cell is just about on top of me, but it's lost some oomph. We did break yesterday's low down to 272. Sorry, didn't mean to get distracted there, but I'm watching that radar. Everything is unhappy right now. Did I miss something? Still dropping. This is just a dead drop. This is kind of weird. I could have gotten an extra 100 points.
I was in that last trade at 346. Got out at 340. It's now at 240. Or it hit 240. ES down 28 points. NQ down 120 on this candle. Crude's crashing. I mean, everything's crashing at once. I'm confused. Like, what happened? I don't see any news. Well, right back down. Still trying to fall. But has lost oomph, and now we're getting a blue candle bounce. Maybe. Yep. And I can't find any catalyst to it. But I'm going to chance my luck here and take this blue candle long. It's the competition account, so I don't care. I'm not going to win, so at this point I'm just practicing.
I'm not going to win unless I keep doing stuff like this. Pouring down raining here now. Storm has arrived. Oh, wow. Look at that, baby. Out there, that's another $1,450 trade. So now in the last half an hour, I've made 3 trades for $1,450, $1,275 was it, and $600. We're up 2,100 on the day after taking a big loss to start with. Yeah, 1,750, 600, and 1,450. So that's $3,800 in the last half hour. Ooh, and I got out of the right spot. Wow, look at that. Got out at 62 half and only went up 2 more points and then fell back. It's going to give me another blue candle here if this stays positive, so that could be another entry for us. Nope, dropping back down. Dow's still falling. Russell's still red. Ultra bond trying to bounce, but not really finding any footing. Crude oil trying to come up. Got thunder. Oh, wow. Whoosh. Now we're heading down toward 18,200. So let's go take a gander here. Already broke yesterday's lows. Tuesday's low, 174 is now in sight. And before that, Monday's low was 138. You guys hear the thunder? Does it come across the mic? I don't think it's loud enough yet. I love to hear the thunder. Watch the lightning as it lights up the sky. That one you probably heard. 203 low, new low. Can it continue down?
Dow's still just bleeding out, down to 39,308. Its high day was 698, so the Dow's dropped almost 400 points. May have found the bottom there, right above 200. Thought about taking a long there. I did not, but I have a feeling I should have. Maybe not. Maybe so. Yeah, I could have got 10 points there. The Dow is at the lowest possible value in the RSI. I don't think it goes below 1. Nice little green candle there on the Russell and on the NQ on the on the NQ on the 5-minute chart. Sputtering here around 248. Oh, as I say that, it bursts up. Nice, G-Man.
256. Hey Zebra, what's going on with your Ninja and with what company? Back up to 264, so nice bounce here. 60-point bounce. Okay, so is this with a specific company? Specific? I can't get that word out. Prop or so? And when you say it's not working, what does that mean? It's not connecting. You can't get data. What exactly is going on? Dow finally found a bounce point. Well, Elite banned me from their Discord, so I can't go look. I think mine didn't. Well, I got to check. First of all, well, let me connect. I connected fine. Yeah, I got banned from Elite's Discord because I posted on Twitter about them screwing their affiliates. Never posted anything on their Discord, but they banned me from it anyway. Pull back here at the top. Well, not the top of the hour. 9:10. Why did I think it was the top of the hour? uh, no. They banned me for no good reason. Pulls back a little bit. Now it's trying to push back up. Uh, there might be a problem here, Zebra. Hold on. Or maybe it's my computer. No, there we go. No. Never mind. It's just my computer. My Ninja is working just fine on Bulenox. Matter of fact, I just got a winning trade. Wow. I took that long there, and I got a 10-point winner. See if do you if Zebra, do you use Discord? You might want to go into Elite's Discord and see if anyone else is saying any issues.
Now, RJC, Elite was charging affiliates $40 in order to get their payments, and they didn't tell people first. People just found $40 missing from their payment. So I pointed that out on Twitter, so they banned me from their Discord. So that was a nice win on Bulenox. $200 on Bulenox, and we're back up. We're back playing with 18,300. Yeah, it's happened almost a year ago now. I'm not even worried about it, but it's one of the reasons I do not. I don't promote Elite. They just do some shady stuff, but I've never heard of anyone not getting paid. Like when they ran an 80% sale last September, but didn't tell everyone that they raised their prices 33% on average before the sale. So we're continuing to climb back up. So what a drop, and now quite the recovery as well. Looks like it's recovered about half. Our top of this move was 393. We dropped all the way down to 203, so 190 points. And now we're back up to 310. So yeah, we've recovered over half of it. We recovered over 100 points of it. What a move. Bust a move. Are these trading moves or sexual innuendos? We are sitting at 307 now. RJ, have you taken a trade today? Oh, that's right. You took that trade down to the overnight low. That's right. Never mind. I remember now. RJ's the one with the concussion, and yet I'm the one with the memory problems. I'm up $2,100 on the Blue Sky competition account. I'm up $200 on Bulenox. All right, so we've
50% retraced on ES. Dow, purple candle there. And Q back down by 26 points on this candle. So we're seeing big 5-minute candles here. RJ and G-Man both using fibs. No, I don't mean they're lying. Isn't it the great Ace Trades that says never be upset about a green trade? Oh yeah. I mean, like I said, I could have got another 100 points on that last short. I'm in the States. Central Illinois.
I've actually never been to Chicago. Gold really dipping, and Q's kind of paused. Oh, you look at the dollar index, booming up. The coin's a bit down. Here's the entire MightyOxTrading merch store. We're going to be working on that more here this weekend, adding more products. Might actually be switching providers, but it'll be the same products. So it sounds like you need a second one, Ace. Little blue pop up. I kind of like it. I kind of love it. I want some more of it. If I can find my chart. There it is. Does it have its size? Does it have its size? I'm sorry. Does it have K-pop's size? I'm not sure. I know that it goes small to 3x, but the other place I'm looking at has some youth sizes and things. But I have no idea how to size kids stuff. It's the funded sim account on the Topstep, Ace. Glad I did not take that blue candle.
No, for most companies, when you first get funded, they still put you on a sim account because they know most people blow the funded account, and they don't want the company losing real money. So they put people on sim accounts, but you can still earn the actual money that you're making that way if if you are actually good at it. But so many people blow up because either they just gambled their way to passing the eval, or their psychology changes when they know it's real money. So back down. I didn't let it trick me into taking that long. Natural gas inventory is coming up if anyone has gas. I've never been to an opera. I've never been to a concert of any kind. RJ's marking that one off of his bingo card. Yeah, you get to make money, Ace. I said you earn money even though it's a sim account. In other words, if you actually are successful, your uh, the firm is actually taking a loss, and then they'll move you to the live account eventually. Nice move up. So that blue candle worked. Ooh, boom, back up to 320. ES back up to 51.22. Right. So here's why, Ace. Many traders, once they become funded, their psych changes. They know real money's on the line, and then blowing the funded account. So that way, it allows them to see who can handle a funded account. If the people that you know can handle it, they're getting paid. The people who can't handle it blow it, and that way the company's not losing money. It actually saves the company money by doing that, even paying out the people that are on the still on the sim account. And then most companies move you to a live account after you've made X amount in the sim funded account. They'll give you whatever you made on that sim account. But most likely, like Topstep will move you there as soon as you've made like somewhere it's somewhere between 5,000 and 20,000 depending on your stats. Um, like Blue Sky is 3K, Earn the Trade is 3K. Some is a case by case basis, and some is an exact number. We're up, back up to 336, so nice move up. I didn't trust that blue candle after the last two blues really didn't work. Nice, G-Man. Nice, RJ. RJ is back, folks. He's nailing trades on both sides. Now he can buy him. Oh, RJ, I need to see whether or not I can make MightyOxTrading helmets, so you can start wearing a helmet every time you like go someplace.
Uh, pulls back a bit to 230, 320. Dow made a nice move back up. Dow got all the way down to 307. It's back up to 453, so just about a 150-point bounce. Ultra Bond's still dying. Crude running. Crude's above 81. What did natural gas do? It popped up and gave it back. ES pulling back just a tad from 25 back down to 22. 22 area has been an interesting area. Yeah, I saw that CVR. That you owe that doctor a little extra money for getting you out of that trade. You know, RJ, I applaud you for being honest about what happened. If I got a concussion at a hockey game, I think I would tell people that I got hit with a puck that came flying into the stands or something.
And that must be one that's been floating around. I don't got any new Ox imposters on the Discord. Report and block. I imagine those things can hurt. So we got here, pulled back, now trying to break back through this level. Let's see if it can. It got to 340, 342. Because he's been talking to me on my real account. And if someone hasn't talked to me before, I never initiate conversations on Discord without asking permission first. Have a great day, Owings. You said later to the wrong person, Ace. Uh, Coming back up. Is it going to give me a blue candle? Yeah, it's flirting with it. I got my finger on the trigger. Some traders wonder why. Trading NQ, it's do or die. Nope, no blue candle. It's one down. It's a 17-point candle. That's sitting right on that EMA. We're going short. Nope, bounced. Oh, wait. Boom. 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 Out there. That, my friends, was a $2,375 trade. In it, 18,311, out at 18,288 for 23 points. We are now up on the Blue Sky competition account, $4,451.20. Thanks, Gary, Speed Racer, Tio. Looks like I got out of a pretty decent spot there too. Got out 288, only went down to 283, now bouncing a bit. Working on it, CBR. All right, Ace. Have yourself a great day, my friend. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, he did. And back down. So that blue candle bounce there is not sustained so far. Not sure why it hissed like a snake. Stained. Pushing down. About 15 minutes to go and a wildly successful stream, at least trading wise. If you haven't, guys, haven't checked out the futures prop firm discount snapshot for today, here's the link. Have a good one, CBR. Now we got blue candle, red candle, blue candle, red candle, blue candle. And back up. Touches that 100 EMA and coils back from it. Meanwhile, crude just running over there. It's pulling back a little bit now, but look at Ultra Bond today. Just straight down. Gold also down. Crude. Look at that move on crude. So like I said, we are up today on the Blue Sky competition account. 4,000 something, 4,451. So now I'm trading 5 contracts. On my evals and my funded accounts, I trade 1. So let's divide that by 5. 44551 divided by 5. So that'd still be almost $900. I had almost gone back down to break even on the competition, TO. I had 2 bad days in a row. So I'm only up to 105,067 right now. I mean, what you think about it, it's cool because yeah, I think this is the 8th trading day of the competition. So I mean, that works out to be $600 a day on average. If I could do $600 a day on average on a regular account, I would take that. So back up to that EMA. It's still struggling to get through. It's just kind of hanging there. It's sniffing it. sniffing EMAs is not necessarily a good thing.
Oh, and again rejects off of it. Look at that. ES sitting at 52.16 half. Dow 39.417. Remember, if you need evals, 90% off Bulenox, 80% off Apex. Apex is 1 day pass. You could trade today, get funded today, be trading as a funded trader tomorrow.
Just sitting here now. Market's kind of lost some oomph as we head toward the 11 o'clock hour. TL, what we can hope is that guy that got banned from the Blue Sky Discord, the leader of the thing, that entire situation messed up his psyche for the day, and he blows up. So yeah, just kind of ending with a whimper here, and there's a move down. Either that or getting banned is going to totally motivate him, and he's going to be at like 200K tonight.
Dow dropping, so sudden drop here right before the top of the hour. Why not? Everybody else is.
So it's been a fun day here, MightyOxTrading. Hopefully, we can keep that momentum rolling into all my accounts. We even got a winning trade on Bulenox when I was testing out the rhythmic connection to see for Zebra earlier. So hey, and that was like a total random trade. I did that. There was no entry. Like I just decided to take a trade there and see what happened. So we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, to close out the week. We'll try and close it out strong. Everyone have a great rest of your day. We'll see you then. Bisers. Yes, I really did just say Bisers. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from Mighty Ox Trading. Have a great rest of your day.